This is Bob Harris with Classic Cars of Palm Beach, just doing a walk around video here for you on this 2020 Audi A4. Just going to start here in the front. We do these videos kind of just to show off anything that might be sales stopping, not so much to pump up the car, but more just to kind of give you an overview and a full walk around video if you're out of state. Now we're going to go ahead and start in the front. The front bumper looks good. I don't see any damage here. Headlights are clear, no fog. See, the headlights look good. See underneath that lip right there. So no damage on the bumper at all. Looking at the hood looks good. What you see in the picture there, just a little bit of dirt. Hasn't rained here in a while, so cars tend to get a little dusty and dirty. I don't see any damage on the hood, no rock chips, no dents, dings. Over here to the driver front, it's in good shape, no rock chips, no dings, no dents. Wheels are in good shape, I don't see any curb rash on there. They're also they're pretty much brand new. So the tires are definitely good. Windshield is good, I don't see any cracks, chips or stars. All looks good there. You can see the roof and the sunroof look good. Don't see any damage up here at all. Driver window and door, again, glass is in good shape. It is mildly tinted. The mirror's in good shape, I don't see any damage. No rock chips. Driver's side rear door, glass is in good shape. Door is in good shape here. I don't see any damage. This is the rear of the vehicle, in good shape. I don't see any damage here. Driver's side rear wheels in good shape. I don't see any damage. Tires are, like I said, they're pretty much brand new. Rear glass is in good shape. Trunk deck lid looks good. I don't see any damage. Rear bumper is in good shape. No damage on it either. A lot of times you get damage over here from people pulling stuff in and out. I don't see any damage there. I do see a small little scuff there, but very small. Moving on to the passenger rear of the car. I don't see any damage at all. Everything looks good. Roof looks good from the passenger side view. Rims are in good shape. No curb rash. All the tires match and are basically brand new. Passenger rear door and glass look good. I don't see any damage. Passenger front door and window all look good. Mirror looks good. I don't see any damage. Door looks good. Front fender, driver's or passenger side looks good. Wheels look good, no curb rash. Tires. Now I'll do the inside. Inside looks good. It's a driver door panel, driver entry view. Dashboard and everything looks good, no damage up here. Controls all look good, center console looks good, seats in good shape, no wear and tear. Buttons are all intact. Carpeted floor mats are in the vehicle. Driver's side rear door panel, no damage. Driver's side rear entry view. Floorboard Dash components are in good shape. No damage or wear and tear on the rear seats. Got some rubber floor mats in here along with the other floor mats for the car. Trunk is in good shape. Everything looks good there. Door panel's in good shape. Floorboard and rear console in the back look good. No damage on the seats at all. No wear and tear, everything looks good. Passenger front. Door panel looks good. Dash and interior on the passenger side is free of any damage. I don't see any wear and tear on the seats. Seat controls, good shape. Floorboard and interior in just perfect condition. That's pretty much it for the inside. Let me just pop the hood and start up the car. That'll complete the walk around video for this 2020 Audi A4.